Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to check if your iPhone was refurbished. The first thing you need to do is go into Settings. Once in Settings, you're going to scroll down and you're going to tap on General. Then you want to tap on the first option at the top, About. After selecting About, you're going to pay attention to model number. And if your model number starts with an M, as you can see right here, that means that it was purchased new from Apple. But if your model number starts with an F, it was refurbished by Apple or a carrier. And if the model number starts with a P, it was sold as a personalized iPhone with an engraving more than likely. And if the model number starts with an N, Apple provided it as a replacement device for a malfunctioning iPhone. So once you see your model number starts with an M, that means it was purchased new from Apple, and F again stands for refurbished iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.